Look at this freaking guy. Look at this freaking Ricer ass freaking.
He's not Rice. He's
look
a
at
clean build.
You know, I'm letting him break. You will see how. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. One of them working this beautiful G35, but alive as well. The reason that I'm doing this video is because a lot of people misuse this term Ricer way too much. Christ, man, this. I can't stand it. Jesus Christ. I've been told that I could rice out a car by one sticker on a car. Okay, now let's look at the official definition for Ricer. It is race-inspired cosmetic enhancement. If you've seen a lot of channels that do like, you know, where they rate a car if it's Ricer or not, you see that it's based mostly on their opinion, not because it really is a Ricer. Now let me give you a few examples of how people use Ricer. I was checking out the magazines and I was admiring this wonderful car right here, but damn, she has a freaking Ricer on her freaking outfit. Like, I can't do it. Damn. I really want a shirt of Republic Gaming, but it's riced out. Look, 25 bucks. No way. Look at those colors, man. Riced out t-shirt. Nope. This guy right here is not a Ricer. Let me tell you why. Because he has a white car.
He's running winter mode.
He has black tires, no wing, no stickers, straight up gangster.
3 and V7.
Look at this. This is like a complete Ricer right here. It's supposed to be 4 circles. It only has 3. Ricer.
It's a girl.
You see? It's a girl driver. Ricer. Look at this freaking guy. Look at this freaking Ricer ass freaking.
He's not Rice. He's
look
a
at
clean build.
You know, I'm letting him break. You will see how. Look at the freaking Ricer. What do you guys think? Were these things riced out? Everything does not make a car Ricer. Because a car is blue, it's not a Ricer. Because a car is hot pink, it's not a Ricer. It is just a color. That's not race inspired. Now, if you really want to know and see a real Ricer, here is what a real Ricer looks like. I explained my part. I want to hear from you guys. What do you think makes a Ricer? If I'm wrong, I'm gonna call Wiki myself. I'm gonna change all the definitions of being a Ricer for your definition. If you can prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. Now that is all for this video. If you enjoy this type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you are a Ricer, please give me a like on this video. And if you haven't so already, please subscribe. Until next time, guys, keep prayed up, keep pushing. God bless. Peace.